Hello, today we are got quite an easy job, to be fair. We're going from one end of town to the other, and I'll tell you more about it when we get there.
Now, what happened was when I got to the job, I forgot to actually record anything. So now you see Ryan priming the edge of the MDF because it really furs up if you don't prime it well. So I spent a few moments going around the MDF paneling, priming it up. That raises a grain, and then you'll see in a minute where we take some sandpaper and then just sand down that little ridge around the end to get it edge to get it nice and smooth. You can see that the grain is raised quite badly there and there. So we'll take a few minutes and we sand that back to get it looking nice. Then masked up the wall and gave it a first priming coat of MDF primer. So just gives it a good adhesion coat of primer. Wish we worked that quick all the time. Make a fortune. But yeah, so it's the first coat of the Farrenball priming coat going on over the bare MDF. Well, all the bits we've primed anyway. So spray that and leave that to dry for a couple of hours. Then give it a good sand down. Again, rub down those edges, get them nice and smooth. Done a little bit of filling on the paneling again. I think that's where two bits of MDF sheet were joined together. And then give it another coat of primer to build up those layers and get the paint looking really nice and solid. Primer, that's what it looks like, and then we give it two coats of satin on top, and this is a finished article. Looks really nice, shiny, and the customer's really happy with the job we did for them. Right, need to start off. Big apologies, that was not the best video. I do apologise because I did start off with the best of intentions, but got to the job and then the day just took over. I did remember to record what we got up to, but didn't really do too much voiceover, so I do apologise. We'll try to do better next time. Got a video coming up about sanding down and re-treating oak worktops. I think I did a little bit better there, so maybe don't judge too harshly on the first time. Anyway, if there's anything else you want to see, or maybe stuff that I've not thought of that you would find interesting, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to record it and put it up on the channel. Alright, take care, I'll speak to you soon.